feel like summertime. You took this heart of mine. You'll be my Valentine in the summer, in the summer. You are my only one, just dancing, having fun out in the shining sun of the summer, of the summer. Ooh, do love me, do love me, do love me, do love me, do. I love you. Put no one else above you. Do love me, do love me, do love me, do love me, do. I need you. Oh my. Is it summertime magic that makes me wanna dance all night long? It's just summertime magic. Make me feel this way. Go to your love, girl. Oh, you're my world, baby girl. Ooh, you are my world. You feel like summertime. You took this heart of mine. You'll be my Valentine in the summer, in the summer. Oh, do love me, do love me, do love me, do love me, do. I love you. But no one else above you. Do love me, do love me, do love me, do love me, do. I need you. Oh, bring it down now. Do love me, do love me, do love me, do love me, do. The style breaks your eyes. Ooh. Do love me, do love me, do love me, do love me, do. Oh, I need you. Ooh.
How do I flip this? It's fine. I can't see you. Gotten better at walking with teach me and I'll teach you poster and they don't even have the poster. We saw Spider-Man.
You know, friends for 9.5-ish years, and this is our first movie together ever.
They don't have the Spider-Man poster up.
Because it's been out for a while.
It sucks. I saw Spider-Man. It was really good. Okay. Oh my god.
Popcorn.
Hi. So these are my plants. I don't know if this is gonna be annoying the entire time, but I just wanted to set you down, and this seemed like a cute place. I'm also trying to hide this. Not really, I don't care. Anyways, I decided to talk for a little bit. I haven't really spoken in this vlog or the vlog after. I have been editing it. Seems really cute so far, just to see like little spurts of what I've been doing in the month. And I was initially going to tack on a little bit of like a travel video because I am leaving for a month to go to Redacted. I haven't said where I'm going. But by the time this video is out, I probably would actually no, when this video is out, it might still just be like September 1st or something like that. But I was gonna tack on a travel video, but then I asked on Instagram, and I think a majority of people said to just separate it. So I'm going to separate it and have it so that it's just the vlog and then the travel video separately. So I don't really know what it's going to encompass, honestly. I think I'm just gonna talk a little bit. I might do some reviews of some things I have purchased in preparation for the trip, because I am leaving for a month and I'm only bringing a carry-on and a backpack and a fanny pack. So we'll see how that goes. This is the first time that I've ever traveled for this long, so I'm really excited. I'm not as anxious as I was initially. I was mostly just anxious before, so now I'm ready. I think. We'll see. I think like a couple years ago, I was going on a trip and one of my professors was like, don't worry, you only need one thing. And I was like, a suitcase? And they were like, no, your passport. And I was like, oh, right. So it'll be fine. I'm excited. I will be vlogging, hopefully not too much. I still want to enjoy the trip, and especially since it's like a month long. So there's that. That being said, I need to fix my hair. It is really gross. So I'm going to fix this, and I'm not going to be filming it just because I need to focus on how to fix my hair. I just don't want to have gross hair before I go on my trip, so I'm going to fix it. This plant, is this annoying if this plant's here? It looks like a sticker. It looks fake. It just looks like I put this on in front. I'm going to do my hair. I was actually going to get my nails done because I wanted to get my nails done for the month, and my hands look so gross right now. Funnily enough, my hands always look really nice in the winter time because I put lotion on every single day, but because it's summer, I don't feel inclined to do so. So my hands just look gross. I was gonna get my nails done and then I decided not to, so whatever. Won't be a huge issue. Yeah, I'm just rambling at this point. Okay, I'll see when I check in again.
We're at the Sunflower Expo.
Okay.
And we're going to take pictures.
Goodbye, kitty!
Shaky.
Looking, I'm really sweaty.
Frolic away. I feel like I'm gonna step in a hole.
I'm getting a lot of stuff on my legs. He's a fuzzy one too.
He'd be a fuzzy boy.
Is that a bubble? Yeah.
The buzz buzz.
He's not gonna hurt.
chill.
Happy late birthday, even though I was at your birthday, but we did another thing for your birthday.
Thanks. Thanks.
Okay, bye. Was that weird? That was weird.